Question 4. Andrea sells flower pots of different sizes. The price of a small flower pot is 10 ringgit, medium is 15 and large is 40. Okay. The small one we call this X, the medium one we call it Y, and the large one we call it Z. Each month, the number of small flower pots is sold is equal to the total number of medium and large flower pots sold. So small flower pots equals to the sum of medium and large. Okay, you just have to convert the words small flower pots equal to total number of medium and large. Next, the number of medium flower pots sold is twice the number of large flower pots sold. So medium flower pots equals to twice of large flower pots. Andrea needs to pay a rent of 300 per month for her business. What are the minimum number of pots of each size which Andrea has to sell? Okay, so total she needs 300 ringgit. So 10 ringgit times X plus 15 ringgit times Y plus 40 ringgit times Z must give us 300 or more lah. Okay, let's assume it's just 300 so that we can do this easily. Okay, this will be our three equations. We can call this equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Alright. Okay, so looks like the second equation only got two unknowns and conveniently y is the subject here. So what we can do is we can use the second equation, sub this y into equation 1 and equation 3. So we sub 2 into 1 and we also sub 2 into 3. So this one will be 2z lah. X equals to 2z plus z. So x equals to 3z. Then we sub this into equation 3. We will get 10x plus 15y plus 40z is 300. Okay, let's expand this. 10x plus 30z plus 40z is 300. So 10x plus 70z is 300. Okay, so we can call this equation 4 and equation 5. Here also conveniently they already made x the subject, so x is 3z, right? We can sub this into here. So I can say sub 4 into 5. So 10x plus 70z is 300. So here 30z plus 70z is 300. So 100z is 300 means z will be 3. 300 divided by 100. Okay, now that we have z, we can sub this back into this equation to find x. So x is 3 times z. This will be 9. And then since now that we have x and z, we can find y. Y is 2z. So y will be 6. So we can conclude, we can say small flower pots is 9, medium must be 6 and large must be 3. This will be our final answer. So if you want to check, you can put this back into the equation. X, they said, is y plus z. So y and z, we add them, we will get x. Correct lah? That's it.